Hello guys, welcome back to Analytics 50M. So in this video, I'm going to modify the current theme of Power BI Visual with the help of a Copilot. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to save the current theme of Power BI Visuals and it will be saved in the format of JSON code. So we are going to copy that code and we are going to ask Copilot to modify that code so that it should give some stunning colors and attractive colors and fonts. Once the code is ready from to the copilot, then we are going to copy that code and we are going to replace with the current theme of the Power BI visuals. So stay connected with this video. Step by step I will tell you in this video how I am going to do this. So guys, let's back to screen. So I've already opened a Power BI report, so in which I'm having a sales data. Here I have created some of the visuals and here we are having a year slicer. So let's go to the view section and let's save the theme of this. So we are going to save the current theme. Okay, in desktop I'm going to save it. It will be saved in the format of JSON file. Okay, so the current theme is saved. Now I'm going to open that. Okay, it is opened. Now I'm going to copy it and I'm going to ask Copilot to modify it. I'm going to write suppose are a power. Now I'm going to ask him to modify the code. Okay, now it has given the code. Let me copy this code and I'm going to replace it and I'm going to save it. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to browse for themes and apply this theme. So guys, you can see the file is successfully added and you can see the colors, the theme got changed and you can see the attractive colors which we have requested from to the copilot. So let me ask copilot for to the few more colors. So give some more. Okay, it is giving some more themes. Let me copy this one. Okay, let me replace it. Let me save this file and now let me open it. Yeah, now you can see the colors, the themes are changing according to the code. So with the help of a copilot you can ask about the colors and the themes, you can change accordingly. Thank you for watching this.